Hello children, I am Suchita Kothari and today I am going to explain you the second chapter of Unit 1 of Class 5 from the book Marigold. The name of the lesson is Wonderful Waste. Children, now you must be thinking how waste can be wonderful. Let me tell you that waste can be quite useful to us in many ways. Children, this is a story about the Maharaja of Travancore. Travancore is a place in Kerala. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. There he saw a basket full of vegetable scraps. He asked the cook that what he is going to do with these vegetable scraps. The cook replied that these are waste. He will throw them away. The Maharaja told the cook that he cannot throw the vegetable scraps. He has to find a way to use them. The cook was in a fix. He kept staring the vegetable scraps. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable scraps, cleaned them, washed them and put it in a huge pot and put the pot on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic and made a paste. He added that paste and salt to the curry. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now, he whipped some curd and added to the curry. He also added few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated it with curry leaves. Lo and behold, a new dish was ready. The cook served that dish to the guests that evening. Everybody was eager to know the name of that dish. The cook thought and thought. He thought a name came out, Ulviol. Ulviol is a famous dish of Kerala. Children, see, this dish came out from the basket of waste. Now, we are going to do the word meanings of this lesson. Now, let's start the word meanings. The first word is feast. Children, the meaning of the feast is a large meal. Now, the second word is sternly. The meaning of sternly is in a serious manner. The third word is in a fix. The meaning is a situation hard to escape from. The fourth word is lo and behold. The meaning of lo and behold is, look, what a surprise. Children, these are the word meanings of this chapter. Now we will be doing the question answers. I will write the questions and you will send me the answers of these questions. Question number 1 is, what were the preparation in the palace for? So, first question is, what were the preparations in the palace for? Second question is, why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? Question 2 is, why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? The third question is, what had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? The third question is, what had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? I hope children you like the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.